আমার দেরি হয়ে গেল বেশি জ্যামে বাইপাস দিয়ে আসতে গিয়ে মর্নিং আসিস আরে ওই মেশিন শুরু করে দেয় মোটামুটি লোকজন সব এসছে
মোটামুটি এখন
আর কেউ অন দা ওয়ে কেউ
অন দা ওয়ে তো এই পঙ্কজ দা
Like every year, this year, 2510 India Project Private Limited has Like every year, this year, 2510 India Project Private Limited has organized a cricket tournament. 3 teams have been formed for each employee. 3 of these teams will be represented by Team A, B and C. Team A represented by Mr. Somnath Chatterjee and Team B will be represented by Mr. Ashish Das and Team C will be represented by Mr. Subankar Ghosh. Request to every player from these 3 teams to come to field. I am naming the players of Team A. Hello. Captains are requested to collect the cap and selected the colors. Rupam Saha, Devashish Sen, Saptoshri Banerjee, Danish Mohammad, Surojit Kumar and Sonali Baske in place of Saptoshri Banerjee. Mr. Tara Shankar Palit, Mr. Riveron, Mr. Subodip Oja, Mr. Ranjit Kaur. Two umpires, Mr. Abhishek Tiwari and Somodip. Subankar Ghosh, Ashish Das, Somnath Chatterjee, please come. Subankar Ghosh, blue color cap. Hello. Team A, দেবনাথ, মৃত্যুঞ্জয় পাল, শুভচন্দ্র, মৃণালকান্তি দাস অধিকারী, প্রশান্ত ভট্টাচার্য, দেবশ্যাম সারান, সুজয় মুখার্জি। Of the captain, Mr. Abhishek.
হচ্ছে না, আরো আরো চাপতে হবে, অনেক বড় হয়ে গেছে। আরো ছানা চলে আসবে। Waiting for-
খেলা শুরু আর খেলা শেষ হয়ে গেছে টস ম্যাচে দুটো ক্যাপ্টেনকে ডেকে নাও টস করিয়ে দিই যদি একটা টিম দুটো ম্যাচ হেরে যায় তাহলে অটোমেটিক্যালি দুটো টিমের ফাইনাল হলে সেটা বেশি ওভার করিয়ে দেবো আর নয় তো তারপর আরেকটা তিনটে টিমই একটা করে যদি জেতে তাহলে তিনটে টিম যদি একটা করে জেতে দেন রান রেট আমরা ক্যালকুলেট করে নেবো
রান রেট, হ্যাঁ
Team players come to field.
আচ্ছা কিপিং কে করতে পারে? আমি কিপিং করতে পারি, আর কে করতে পারে?
আমি বরাবর কিপিং করেছি, তবে আমার কোনো সমস্যা ব্যাকআপ হিসেবে থাকবে যদি হয়।
আমি করে দিতে পারি, আমি করে দিতে পারি।
একজন একটা স্ট্যাটিস্টিক্স লাগবে।
First ball above the wicket, and it's a dot ball. The first ball of the bat, the first ball of the. Oh, it's a cocky one. The Yorker led ball totally missed the. It's a leg side delivery. Batsman swings the bat, but the result is. The batsman is playing from thighs. Again, it's. Well bowled, well bowled, well bowled. Devoshita, there is no LBW. We appreciate your skill. After the end of 1 over, it's 1 for 0 for Team Blue, and very good over. Oh my God! It's again a lovely delivery. It looked like the bowler. Oh, it's a quirky bouncer. Again, it's a hard length ball smashed by the batsman. Well fielding, very well fielding. And it's 1 run. Too hard for batsman to collect a run. Another wicket, it's the wicket, first wicket of the tournament taken by Sabtor Sida, and it's a reward of bowling, a high level of bowling and a good length, and it's the first wicket, caught behind, very well bowled. And it's a splendid catch by Dilip Nath Dada, well catched. Well bowled, very well bowled. It's surprising for batsman, but yeah, he opens his account. So both batsmen are changing some words and that too. It's a splendid six, first six of the match. Well bowled Sabtor Sida, but it's a very good shot from the batsman. And it's a dot ball. Well bowled, and it's a bigger shot than the previous one. Six, one more six for. Again, a short pitch delivery went for a six. And again, it's a straight back six, just above the umpire. And white ball. Decision from tap and single. It's a one. Again, well bowled and very well played. Very well bowled. Humongous six, one more, just out of the park. And the one is bigger than a. And in. Now the fuller line ball tapped on the mid wicket area and went for a single run. It's a good one for the batting team and good ball for the bowler, this particular ball. And it's again a six. Yeah, it's a good delivery. After getting hit, Messi is in Kolkata and Devorshita showing some skills with ball. That's why he stops the ball with the leg and showing giving some competition. Oh, it's a fuller than ball. Totally devastated the batsman. Appeal from the bowler and it's a wide ball.
বলেন বলেন
One for the over signal by the. A chance for the bowling team, but. Oh, lovely catch after making 50. He tried to smash it hard, but yeah, good catch by the fielder. Good catch by Mrityunjay Da. Good catch.
সেটাই কালকে এটা কোনো কোম্পানির টুর্নামেন্ট বিদেশিগুলো করতে আসে এই দোকান
2 to go. 2 balls to go.
ওখানেই তো দেখি
It's a wide or no ball. No for the half. Again, it's a no. No for the height. That means free. Yes, Palid sir has sacrificed his wicket for the team, and I would like to request everyone to clap for him. That's why it's a team game. He just sacrificed his wicket just to make the scoreboard run. And it's a six. That's why it's been 106. So end of 6 over. It's 106 for 2. 3-3. First ball by Mrityunjay Da and well kept. Fourth ball in a trot for the dot ball. Well bowled, Zana, well. And it's a hit wicket. As I predicted, that it will be the icing on the cake after getting one wicket, giving 5 dot balls. And new batsman in well bowled by the Mrityunjay Da. After taking a splendid catch, his confidence is now up. Oh!
ইলেভেনে চলছে
2 over. And a Yorker, third wicket for the Saptorchida, third wicket. And what a comeback. As I predicted, the run will be in the 120s. As of now, I feel it will be possible. My prediction goes right in as I expect. Let's see what will be the at the end of the over. And Ratnadipta made 44 in 11 balls. Well bowled, well bowled. A sizzling Yorker like Lasit Malinga, Saptorchida bowling hard as he can, contributing for his team, taken 3 wickets. What else you can ask for him? Some slippery feeling from the fielder, but yeah. As there is no LBW, it is not out. Batsman pushing for the 2, he throws the ball, the overthrows and 2 runs. Some smart cricket by Arup Dada. And it's like rocket launcher, balls in 120 kmph.
চেপে যাবে তো
First ball dot by the Ratnadipta.
না এরা আবার একটা ফ্যাকড়া তুলেছে বুঝেছো এটা শুনলাম এরা আবার একটা ফ্যাকড়া তুলেছে ফ্যাকড়া বলছে দাদা ওই জয়েন্ট পয়েন্টে খাইয়ে
And consulted with the captains of all the teams. Four balls in a dot. Over. 1 over 0 by 0. Whatever it is, it will be considered as
আরো ডান দিকে মেকো
first boundary for the batting team. And again, it's a boundary. After hitting 3 consecutive boundaries, it's a strike rotation process from the batsman. Shot. And it's a boundary. Ratnadeep guys, bowling good, batting good, but fielding is some sloppy. He should work on this. And it's a six! Huge over for the team red. Six. It's a six. Okay. It's a four. No. It's not shoulder right. Please don't take Raskas in the ground. Please. And it's a wide ball. It's a no ball. No off height. One of single, one of no. It's 2 runs on 0 balls. Dot ball. 3 hit and it's a boundary. Shot, and it's a 6. It's a boundary. 4 to start the. The out swinging Yorker from Devajyoti Da ends the terrific innings of Pankaj Sahadada. But he has done his job. Give his team momentum. Please clap for him. Hit some tremendous sixes against the good bowling attack. And he made 39. No ball. Shot. And again it. No change in the. It's a every day you are sick. Ratnadeep Da, please take care. Lots of big stones are there. Please do take care on that side of the ground. He misses the catch. And it's a boundary again. They are dealing in 4 and 6ers only. 4, 6, 4, 6. This is what going on. And it's finally a catch taken, a wicket got. Umpire, fielder's fall, fielder's fall, fielder's fall, fielder's fall. It is 4. Eight runs needed in 10 balls. Four again. And it's an over. Only 4 runs needed in last over. And it's complete. Team Red wins the match by 8 wickets. So the next match is Team Blue versus Team White. We are requesting umpires kindly call the captain for the toss. The next match, Team White versus Team Blue. It's a white ball. It's a white ball.
এইসব বুট তুমি এখন উডল্যান্ডে ছাড়া পাবে না।
By Ashish Raj Dada. Very interesting wicket keeping and some intelligent cricket from the bowler. Ratnodipda looks tired after last match.
এটা লাস্ট ম্যাচ।
কটা খেলা হলো?
It's a dot ball. Again, it's a dot ball. And end of the over. Well fielded, very well fielded by the fielder. Dot ball. So finally it's boundary from Gujarat. Guren, pardon me, Guren. And it's a boundary. Now again, a boundary was given. And it's a six by the duel. Early in the morning he was practicing hard to hit the ball. Now he is hitting hard. Again a Yorker net ball totally missed by the batsman. Well kept by the Ashish. Finally, he hit with the bat and it's a four. A full toss ball makes his change in four. Oh, nice, lovely fielding by the player. He just shows his all athleticism.
It's only 4. No.
I hope he is okay. What an effort, man. What an effort. We appreciate your effort, man. It's a boundary, but it's a dead ball again. It's a bodyline bowling. The batsman is still suffering to connect with the bat. It's a good bowling. Again, it's a dot ball. Well bowled, Peter brothers.
Speed man, I think.
It's a white ball. Shot! It's out of the park shot. Good shot. And it's a 4. It's a no ball. It's a no. As I told you, brother, be patient, he will get the wicket. And he got the wicket. Well bowled. Debut wicket for the brother. Again, it's a four. He was practicing hard in the morning and just replicating his shots in the afternoon. That is why called practice makes you perfect. It's six again. It's a 'It's a white ball. He smartly dodged it and it's a white. '74. At the end of 5, it's 74. It's a 4. White ball again. Dot. Huge appeal. They shouted for out, but umpire spread his hand and signaled it wide. Bad luck, team wide. Oh, I think he has learned from Uthaiya Muralidharan. Yeah, yeah. Now it's time to be a Jaunty Road. Get a run out too. Very clever cricket. Very clever cricket. He is bowling mixture of Uthaiya Muralidharan and Kilwan, fielding mixture of Jaunty Rhodes and Mohammad Cap. Let's see his batting, what he can make. Whoa, again it's a dot ball. It's a white ball. No, he's not obstructing the field, Ashish. It's not out. Again, it's a white ball. Oh, the nice wicket goal. Well bowled. It takes 2 wickets in the match.
अबे फ्रांस का है हमके लेके घिस देला घिस दे ना पाव कर यार घिस दे हमके लेके घिस दे पूरा घिस दे हम घिस दे उल्टा
Departs after making 30 runs. Good contribution. Well played.
पूरा पब्लिक में है
ও ইয়ে মিস
করবে না ভাই অত টাকা দিয়ে মাস্টার পুরো ধ্বংস করে দেবে
না।
ছাতিতে আমার চুল হচ্ছে খালি যা লেগেই
না ওরা যাচ্ছিল ওরা কেউ যায়নি প্র্যাকটিস যায়নি ওরা শুধু কুশান গেছিল রে পুষ্পা ফ্রি
Smash it hard over the bowler and first boundary for the Politzer.
উড়লো না এখানে এখানে ইটে পাটা আটকে চা ধাপ করে পড়েছে ফিয়ার ফিয়ার নেই সব যায় আমি তো
White ball again.
দরকার
Some runs are coming from the back, some coming from the extras.
सब बोले मालूम नहीं इतना नंबर चिपको कसम से
Again, it's a white ball. Well fielded, brother, well fielded. Was just giving a 200% for the.
রোহন এসে গেছে ঠিক আছে হ্যাঁ এসে গেছে হ্যাঁ
It's out. It's out.
বলছে না যে কাটতেই হবে এবারে কথাও কি ছিলেন মেসির যাবে ও হাত মেলাবে সবার সাথে এক দর্শকের সাথে না খেলছে যারা খেলছে
There is a respectable total or the fighting total. Let's see what their bowler gives to them. But it's a fighting total. The 100 target for the team white is 100. They have to make 100 in their given overs. That is 8.
হাজার 60 স্পিড করে দিয়েছি হাজার
It's a no ball. And it's free hit for Ashish Das. It's a run out. It's a run out by bowler himself.
আর
Again, it's a 6. Again, it's a no ball. A free hit for the batsman. It's a 6.
दिया नूरा हो जाए
It's a wide one. Dot ball. Good game of cricket is going on. First ball is dot ball by the captain.
প্রশান্ত প্রশান্ত কাছে প্রশান্ত কাছে
ঠান্ডায় ঠান্ডার মধ্যে গরম চা
White ball. Second, too much pressure on the batsman, pressure of dot balls. He might have pulled his hamstring too. Good catch by the keeper. Good catch here. And again, we have a sporty man from outside India. Two marquee players on the ground.
নাহলে তোমার হচ্ছে যে ওখানে গিয়ে দোকানে কার্ড সাইড করে দেবো হ্যালো দেখি দাও তো দেখি হ্যালো
Super ball. Oh my God! Just outswing. Shot on there from the batsman, and it's a 4. Six.
হ্যাঁ পার্সেল দিয়ে দিয়েছি
Another 6. Just a It's a single and some smart cricket. 22 coming out of it, and it's been 58. Six. It is a 6. If it is possible, I would give him 12 for this all.
নেটওয়ার্কের প্রবলেম হচ্ছে, উনি বলছেন এখন 5,000 টাকা দেবো আর বাকিটা
আমি কিছুক্ষণের মধ্যেই পাঠাচ্ছি, স্ক্যানারটা রেখে দিচ্ছি। কে বলছে? কে বলছে?
আমাদের ম্যানেজার।
হ্যাঁ ঋতিক, বলছি আমি এখন 5,000 টাকা এখান থেকে পাঠাচ্ছি, ঠিক আছে? আমি যে কটাই পাঠাচ্ছি ফেল্ড হয়ে যাচ্ছে এখন। এই পাঠাচ্ছি আর আধ ঘন্টা পরে আমি বাকি টাকা পাঠিয়ে দিচ্ছি, ঠিক আছে? একটুখানি রিস্ক নাও, মানে তোমার কোনো অসুবিধা নেই, মানে তোমার কোনো
It's a no ball and free delivery. Umpire please. One more thing. Very well bowled, very well bowled. The tactical is very accurate, which is bowling. Oh, missed chance, missed chance. But yeah, it's a dot ball. Dot ball is more important. Three consecutive dots. Batsman is under pressure. Let's see what is going on next. He just smashed it for the single. It's a dot ball. Up to now, it's very accurate over of 1 run. What if he gets the wicket in the next ball? No, smartly played, make it 4. 5 runs coming out of it. It's been 85 after 6. Smashing it hard, but misses it. Watch the ball, then swing it. It will help you, brother. Poor throw with some 4. 5 runs coming out of it. It's a 4. I would like to request Ashiza to raise his belt 50. Well played, Ashiza.
খেলা শেষ আর এসছে
1 over, 5 runs needed. Boundary. Runs tied. Just needed 1 run to win the match. If this match gonna tie, they will play a super over. But Destiny had some other plans. There is no super over. It's a win for Team White and end of the tournament for Team Blue.
আমাদের ফটো তুলে দাও
তুমি বলো তুমি বলো যে স্যার
আমরা হেরে গেছি গান গাইতে পারছি
Hello. Somnath Da, thank you for coming. Ashish Da and Somnath Da, please be ready for the toss. Umpires, please do call the captains and start the match as early as. So, toss happened in the final and elected to bat first. So that means white team gonna bowl first. Started with a 6. This is the signal of the banger of the finals. The bat is just on the square leg boundary. First ball 6. One more ball, one another banger. Started with 2 sixes in a row. Strike rate of 600. And another 6, 22 for the over. It's a 6. No matter what, whoever the bowler is, whoever the batter is, runs are constant. White ball. Fresh legs, fresh body in the finals for Team White. Short, another 6. They are only dealing in 6s and 4s. Like they have planned, like they are gonna hit for 20 or 36s in the final of the game. It's already 4. White ball. Too much excitement in the appeal, but umpires are not excited. The only way they can stop them is bowling Yorker. The way he had bowled.
এগুলো রস হয়ে যাবে সব তো রস দিয়ে দেবে
কিছুই বাদ দিয়ে দেবো
Short. Flick over it to square leg boundary, single run. Captain back into the attack. Well bowled, well bowled. White ball. Short. That's what I'm asking you for. Good shot. White ball. It is in. Time for And it's a 4 again. 4. Well bowled. Bad luck.
তুমি প্লেয়ারগুলো সিঙ্গেল সিঙ্গেল প্লেয়ারগুলো না
54 for Torshida in the finals. Please raise your bat. Well played, Jona. Short. One bounce over the fence for 4. Just hitting all around the ground. He have taken. One more. Ball. ঠিক আছে ঠিক আছে
ওখানে ব্যাটারি ফ্রি দিয়েছিল না নতুন গিফট করেছিল ওটা
one more in the final area and again it's 4
খুলে নিলাম হেভি কালার কিন্তু দেখো এই দেখো
দিয়ে থাকে
it's a boundary
এই 100-400 টা
hitting all around the ground. I don't know what the target will be. Predicting 150 score in the final.
জিবড়ে যাচ্ছে
And it's a salt on the cut. No ball. That means white ball.
ও ট্র্যাকিং থেকে বড় করে নিয়ে
কি হলো
It's a humongous six. Just like
কথা বলিস না রেকর্ডিং মার
it's not white. It's not white. Please cancel the white. It's not white. Last at the white.
ও সুমনকে ওই ও দেয়নি আমাকে রাখতো আমি কি করবো 4 মাস সেরা দিন ঘুমার যাওয়ার কথা ছিল না কিছু হয়নি ও সব কিছু সিরিয়াস হয়ে গেছে
Dot ball.
ভাড়া তো দিই না আমি দেখো যদি দাও তাহলে বাড়িতে নেমে গেছে কত দেবে
Dot ball.
কথা বলতে কত দেবে কত দেবে কি এই নিয়ে কথাটা বলছি কত তো বললো ঠিক আছে পরে বলছি যে ও সিরিয়াস ধরবে এটা কি করে কনফার্ম হবে তাহলে তারপর লাস্টে ঘুমো বলছি তুই যাচ্ছিস তো কাজে আমি দাঁড়িয়ে যাচ্ছি তাহলে আর দেবো তারপরে কি পুরো কাজ যদি কালকে আজকে থেকে করতে দেয় ওই না
White ball. Short. Let's see what happened and no change in result. It's a 6 again.
আমি তো 4 দিয়েছি 6 দেখি সেটা করেছি
Flick of a wrist. Good fielding by PLA. White ball. It's a boundary again. Good shot.
আর বিয়ে মা ফোন করেছিল আজকে তো আজকে মাকে
Well bowled. Well bowled.
তো ঢুকতে হবে ওই বাইকে আর কি হবে মারা হয়ে গেছে তারপরে তুমি ক্যামেরা চালাচ্ছ
একশো হয়ে যাবে well fielded Dada, well fielded, good throw, very good throw. It's a
ওকে 7 না 8,000 টাকা দিয়েছে
48 balls, 134 is the target.
ওখান থেকে দেয় না কেউ আমরা দিই বলে আমাদের সব পার্টিকে ধরে ধরে আমাদের সব
Shot. The cover drive, the absolute gem of a cover drive from the batsman, Arunda. First ball, he misses out, but it's like it should be taken. Six! This is what gonna happen if you miss the catch. One more six. There is no boundary, but yet one more six. It's a raining sixes. Overs. That means 42 ball, 108 for win.
ও দেবপাল মানে দেব স্টুডিও
হ্যাঁ চেনো দীপপালের সঙ্গে ভালো করেছি
এই লোকটা থাকে
Oh my God! If it has been taken, it is a trophy would have been taken by the Pankaj Da. I don't know how fortune always favors him. He might have. Shot and four.
করছে না ওই জন্য আস্তে আস্তে অন্য করে
অনেক চাপানো আছে
He got him! He got him finally! He has taken the wicket. He was looking shaky. He might have got the Champions Trophy. It was a very shaky start from Ashish Das. He might have not cleared it in this time, fourth time. Let's see. But yeah, Shamtoshida has took the stunner. That's it. It might have changed the result. A lemon cut shot went for 4. Shot, and it's a boundary again.
ন্যাশনাল জিওগ্রাফিতে ছবিগুলো মারে না, চক 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 কচ 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 করছে, এইসব লেন্স বসায়।
Two drops are allowed, Dada. 2 drops are allowed. Third will be considered as dead ball. 2 drops are allowed. It is already mentioned at the beginning of the innings. It was already mentioned to every. White ball. Arudha, believe yourself. You can also change the fortune of your team. Just believe of yourself and hit it hard as you can. Six out of the park. Good throw, excellent. Well bowled, well bowled. Well bowled, well. Danija, you hit 6. I hope my tips has been worked for you. Well done. Thank you, Dada. Well bowled, well bowled. Blood and sweat are giving in the ground by Devorshida. Very good effort, Devorshida. There is no LBW, Devorshida. It would have been your 4th wicket, but bad luck. Next year we will try this. Commentator's curse. He made a wide again. Devorshida, it's commentator's curse. Well bowling, Devorshida. Well bowled, and the shot is more beautiful than the ball. Good shot. Arudha, you can do it. Believe yourself, you can do it. You have in you. That's it, Arudha. That's it. I am told you. Anisha, you have to hit 9 sixes. My tips is working for you. I am very proud of it. 9 sixes, Anisha.
দাম 16,000 টাকা। ওটার সঙ্গে সাদা
সাদা হুড থাকে তো
না, সাদার সঙ্গে কালো হুডি দিয়েছিল। সাদা এই কালো হুডটা রাখা ছিল, ওর সঙ্গে একটা হুডের
It's a boundary. It's a boundary. It's a boundary. It's a boundary. It's a boundary, umpires.
ম্যাট কখন দেওয়া আছে?
Frame. It's a boundary. We have watched that. It's a boundary. হাতে লেগেছে. It's a boundary. Please be fair and square. We have seen it. It's a 4.
উজ্জ্বলা বসু সিনেমা
Another boundary. Are we going to see a magic? Are we?
এগুলো মাঠে ঘুরে
Chalo, chalo, cheer up, guys. Good effort by the Borshida, good effort by the bowler, and good effort by the Danishda. Is the only thing is winning is sport, the cricket. 2 balls to go. It's a 4 again. 4. If fielder is showing you a 4, then it is 4. Master again back with his class. Dot ball. It's a boundary. It's a boundary. It's a boundary. One for the over. One for the over. পিছন থেকে রাইজ করছে। Shot! It's a 6. Dot ball. Wait. What? Humongous! Can we see Carlos Brathwaite and Ben Stokes? One more! Excellent 6! He had to pull it off!
আবার কোথায় গেল চেয়ারম্যান?
One more! One more! Oh my God! Tense situation. Nobody has appealed for it. Nobody is interested. কোথায় appeal করবে? Umpire. এখন কি কথা করে থেকে বাইরে? Don't appeal from the outside. There was no appeal. There was no appeal. Please, there was no appeal. It's the outside noise. There was no appeal. Everybody has noticed it. Nobody has appealed. You just raise your hand.
চার রান তাহলে বাকি রইল কত?
22 রান।
এক বলে দাদা
It's a dead ball. It's a dead ball. বাইরে বল পড়লে dead ball দাদা শুরু থেকে এটা হচ্ছে না দাদা আম্পায়ার ডিসিশন ফাইনাল ডিসিশন দাদা just trust the umpires. It is a good game of cricket. Everybody has been played well. Don't be panic. Hold your nerve. The person who gonna hold.
শেষ, জিতে গেল।
Yes! Wonderful innings. Haruka, you made it, man. I have believed in you when nobody else is. well played, Danisha. Ashish is the champion again after consecutive 4 years. Absolutely gem of a cricket, gem of a innings from the Odisha. I have believed on you. Everybody played really well. The winner is cricket. Team Red, you have played really well cricket. It's just a luck, hard luck. Pierre has been selected. It's easy. Pierre, you have already mentioned that it is easy, and it is easy. Team White, you have just pulled off a tremendous game of cricket. Arupta, please raise your bat. Arupta, please raise your bat. You played a gem of an innings, a lifetime memorable innings. Team Red, you played really hard. It's just a one ball, which factors the most. You guys should have appealed, and it will be change of fortune. Absolutely gem of a cricket by both of the teams, and don't forget the contribution of Team Blue. Everybody played really well.
Malayalam. You have to speak very fast.
You're planning to go to Kerala, you will learn.
Oh, no.
So it's a 5-minute break for everyone. সবাইকে আমি অনুরোধ করব within 4:35 we will start our 4:35.
তো ওটা প্যাকেটে দাও তো বিষ্ণু। ঠিক আছে, ব্যাগগুলো আছে না, একটা প্যাকেট দিয়ে দাও। ভালো আছো?
I believe time is over now.
I will request, first of all, I am announcing the team red, runners of the team. Now it's time for team blue. Shubhankar Ghosh, skipper, Tara Shankar Palit, Arup coach, Sumit Saha, Devajyoti Pal, Guriel, Rebels, Shubhadeep Oja, Shubhajit Manna, Rusha Mitra, Ratnadeep Khanra. We gonna please everyone be here. Those who are there, Shoptorshida, I would like to request you to be here, please. Everyone who is a part of it, please be here. We would like to everyone to Team Blue. Please clap for him. Please clap for him. Please round of applause for him. I would like to introduce and ask skipper of Team Blue, Shubhankar Da, please make a line and come with your team to collect your medal from. Please round of applause for everyone, please. ওদিকে ঘুরে সবাই দিন। Well played everyone. সবাই একটু হাততালি দিয়ে সবার মনোযোগ বাড়াবেন। Please clap for yourself and for everyone. Well played, well played.
একটু টাইম দিয়ে ছবি তো।
Please round up a big round of applause for him. Please. Well played everyone. Well played, sir. Well played. Because he's too busy to managing all the things. Now I would like to call Team Red, and I would like to call. Say cheese and smile, Team Blue. Well played, Dada. Don't forget his effort in the last over to make his team win in the finals. Really appreciable. Well played. And the man of the moment who took his team into the finals, make the momentum high for his team. Well played, Dada. We are just really proud of you. Well played.
টুপিটা খুলে নিলে পড়া
পেছনে পেছনে চলে যান, পেছনে দাঁড়িয়ে যান।
Appreciate him, Vinay Karan Dada. He also has contributed in the first match with his bat. Well played, Dada. Well played, sir. Your fielding is appreciable. I saw you in the boundary. Really, really, really good efforts. Now, the man of the moment, Shaptoshida, who did everything, batting, bowling, fielding, to make his team win. But yeah, they fell short just of one ball. But really, really appreciable, Dada. Well played. Now, the man, Devorshi Datta Dada, he gave everything. Even he broke his glass for the team, still smiling and cheering every year and doing some really hard work. Well played, Dada. Well played. Clap for him, please.
Devorshi, I have a question. How did he manage to bowl that first over?
Actually, he is doing some fitness.
First over was excellent.
First
yes.
over without a run, I think. Only one run.
Only one. Excellent bowling.
Boost is the secret of his energy. Please don't stop your applause for him. Please clap for him. Well kept, sir. Well kept. Behind the wickets, he always cheered for his team. Well kept, sir. Mrityunjay Dada, don't forget his 2 wicket or a single wicket over with conceding only a 6. What a comeback. And I think he made a catch too. The brilliant fielding too. Don't stop your clap. Well played everyone. Hard luck team Red, but you gave your best. We are proud. Team Red, please be line up with your team. I would like to call skipper Somnath Chatterjee Dada to be in the line and come with your team to collect the medal from the skipper of team. Come. And I would like to call skipper Ashish Das Dada to line up with his team to take medal from Palit sir. Please. Well played everyone. Congratulations on your win, guys. You guys making 4th in a trot. This is invincible, guys. Well played. This time, his team delivered for him. The man who believed that he can and take his team over the fence is really appreciable. Arup Dada, you made your team champion for the 4th time.
টুপিটা খুলে নিন তাহলে ভালো হবে, নাহলে আটকে যাচ্ছে।
Well played and congratulations. And the best fielder, I guess the best fielder, my friend, my brother Piyavet, you just really made us proud, brother. We are really happy for the effort. We are really happy to have you here. Well done, my brother, well done.
Well played, sir.
Hello. Well played, sir, well played. Well played, sir. Well played, everyone. We appreciate your efforts in the ground for every moment, every year. And to be very honest, everyone just put hard this year. Everyone have just took off their game onto the next level. I'm really proud of the team. Well played, Danish Dada. He was the key man to change the fortune of the team. Really well played. He was even practicing in the lunch time. Well played.
সবাই এদিকে দানিশ
হাত তুলে
এরকম ভাবে এই রেডি
Your chance to celebrate once more. You will get your winner's trophy. We will call best fielders. We have a huge list. for the fielders, but we have chosen 2 of them. They gave their everything, and 2 of my brothers from the other part of the country or from the other area, other part of the globe, sorry for my words, and one is Pierre and one is Gabriel. Well played guys, well played, good effort. Well played, please keep appreciating.
There for the first time they learned cricket today, all rules, regulations, they watched all of our playing, and I hope that all of you will agree with me that they have really played appreciably, both of them. Thank you, thank you.
For their contribution and to take the game more efficient way they can, and they are organizing for every year. Thank you for giving us this chance, Team 5. We are really appreciate your efforts. Well done guys, well done.
It is noted that without these 2 players, it is all because of their 100% effort. Each and every year, each and everywhere, they are supporting like anything.
I would like to call Arup Coach sir to come and distribute the prize to Saptorshi Dada. Well played Dada, well played. You played a tremendous cricket throughout the tournament. Ashish Das Dada, given by Shubhankar Dada. Shubhankar Dada, please be here. Shubhankar Dada. Acha, Vijen Dada, please be here. Ashish Dada is man of the match. Well played, Ashish Dada. Well played.
Ashish.
And everybody knows who is the man of the match in the final. The man who believes that he can take his team out and to the finals. Arup Majumdar Dada, the man of the final, made 71 in the final and make his team win. Palit sir, please congratulate him. He only made effortless chase in the finals and make his team in a 4th year trot winner. Well done Dada. Now I would like to call Dijen sir again, and Palit sir is already here. We don't need any guess who is the player of the tournament. From the past 3 years it was Ashish Das, but this year we have a new player of the tournament. He's made some tremendous cricket. He is just a ball short to make his team win, but he is the player of the tournament. Saptorshi Banerjee Dada, making 135 runs and taking 5 wickets. Well done Dada, very well done. Very well done. Well played, well played, well played everyone. Please smile. Ashish Da, please be here. This year, I would like to call Somnath Da, captain of red team. Come here and collect your trophy from Ashish Da, the champion of consecutive 4 years. Please take trophy and please take some luck from him to lift the Champions Trophy next year. Please take some. Really well played guys, really well played. It's a good game of cricket, we really enjoyed it. Champions Trophy. Now it's time to hand over the Champions Trophy. Every year, different players, different rounds, the story is same, the winner is same. We would like to call Ashish Das and his team to collect the Champions Trophy from the Palit sir, and they are taking from the past 4 years. Please have a round of applause. They are just dominating the 5 games. Well done guys, very well done. Very, 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 very well done. We are proud of it. Everyone.
রানার সিমও একটা তুলে নি।
ওকে, থ্যাংক ইউ। Good evening or good afternoon to everybody. First of all, I would like to thank all of you to take out your time in a weekend and participate with lot of enthusiasm and spirit. Really, this time I think the quality of our game has improved compared to the previous years, and it was no more a one-sided game. Most of all the 3 matches were quite competitive, and final was really exciting. And some of us have played really very well. I can remember few names like Saptarshi, Ashish, Arup, and then PR, and then I'm just not remembering everybody, but there are many other people also, Somnath, Danish, and many people have really played very well. Varun, and first of all, thanks to all of you because of this spirit and the temperament. I think everybody was really very excited, but one thing is that all of us could not attend due to various reasons. Some people are at site, some people are traveling tomorrow, and there was some match also messy, so maybe the date selection could have been little better. Even though our today's program is totally successful, and I hope that we will continue to maintain that spirit. And I will only request all of you that I'm not remembering what is the average age of FSIP employee. It is gradually increasing. You know that we are not a very big team, and there is not every year young people joining. So I will request all of you to take care of your health and fitness. Okay, now the time has come. Everybody should, within that office hours also in the morning, little bit walking and some exercise at home, or at least when you are going back. Some of us, I find, like Chandrajit and all, really at this age, you should improve the health. You should take care for your own. And don't take it otherwise. So it is for all of you. I was even thinking to organize some small talk in the office by some experts, some tips and all, for the working executive in the office who actually sit for the longer time, whole day in the office and carry out this type of job. So health is very important part of the life, very, very important. So once we come to the field, probably we can understand where we are. But if we go to field every day, maybe 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 40 minutes, you can actually realize that improvement. And I think in the coming years, we can perform even better. And I hope that next year, I will find all of you in the field even in a more, with conditions with more fitness. Okay. So thank you for all. I will not increase my speech anymore. Thank you once again, and all the best. Organizers, this Mr. Tiwari and Mr. Somo, they always take out some time for us. Every time we inform them at a very late, and they are really very wholeheartedly they organize, and they have become part of our team. And I also thanks to all other people, these boys and other people who have helped us a lot in organizing all these things. And I'll also thank especially to Devorsi and Sumit. It becomes Devorsi's like own house program. He becomes so serious and all. Okay, so Devorsi and Sumit, give a big round of applause to both of them. I think all of us will again meet in the office on Monday. Okay, thank you. To Devorsi's son who has come here, the lovely boy. Okay, thank you. What is his name? Devdut. I'll just, from all of us, we want to give love and affection to Devdut. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.